Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix HMD Arc charging slow or not charging at all. First things first, try to closing all the background apps because they might slowing the charge. Try different USB cable and a different charger. Also, you can clean the charging port that is right here. Clean it with a non-metallic tools, so like wooden sticks, Q-tips, compressed air. Don't use any metallic tools because you may damage the charging port. Also, try to restart your phone while it is plugged in. And in settings, you can scroll down into the system right here, and we have the system update. If you have any updates, then right here you can download them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.